original construction of the Death Railway. Okay, morning. Today's day 153. So today the first fixes would start lah. Not sure what is it, but there are 11 items to be done for the vehicle. These are the parts right that I previously bought from Malaysia lah. Yeah, this one is the gasket for the transmission fluid seal. Yeah, this is the transmission fluid filter. Then these are oil filter. This is from AliExpress. Yeah, this one is from Malaysia. This one is the air filter. Yeah, so some of this will be changed, and then yeah, let's see when we will get done with the other repairs. We got another resupply run from our friend from Singapore. Yeah, so shook. Hey, hello.
These are some seriously very good plant-based pretzel from Auntie Anne's. So we are having this for lunch today with almond pretzel and some sushi. Very excited to eat.
Yeah, and we found a place that sells 3-core cable lah. 2.5, yeah, at a reasonable price, comparable to Singapore. So you're gonna get it here, and they have everything you need. So good stuff. Yeah, we in BEC in Thailand. Yeah, it's like the CCM in Singapore, the store with all the electronic goods. So we're gonna do some upgrades now on our van. We're gonna add another 20 meters of electrical cable, so we can steal power from very far distance.
See this person 去到哪里 shop 到哪里。
This is the 20 meters of cable and the C-form plug.
Okay, so this morning we have purchased a 20-meter long power cable and 2 additional C-form. So they are finally done. So this is in addition to the existing 15-meter cable that we have. Because some campsite the power socket is really far away, especially in the national park, and we face issues connecting it to the power socket lah. So hopefully this is long enough for our future use. And yep, now we're just gonna pack up and head to the night market, which is my favorite.
Okay, we are at the Kengsin day and night market. Yeah, it's more local orientated. Yeah, but still have all the nice goodies and food from the typical night market that we go to in Kanchanaburi.
Good morning! So I think today is day 155 and currently it's almost 10:30 AM, and today we are taking the train out to this place called Nam Tok. So we haven't really decided what we're gonna do there. We might either visit a waterfall there or visit the Hellfire Pass, which is a historical place where it's about building the railway station. So this train that we are taking is called the Death Railway. During World War II, there are many prisoners that were taken to build these train tracks for the Thailand and Burma to use during the war. So yeah, I'm quite excited about taking the train, and I'll update you again later.
Có phi kem 2, có phi 5.
station of the Death Railway.
Welcome to Nam Tok, the last station.
Okay, this is the famous Thailand Railway Bridge. See everyone sticking their camera out. Okay, here we are at Nam Tok town. Yeah, we don't have our bike, don't have our van, and can't get a Grab or taxi to the waterfall. So we're just gonna walk around this town and explore lah. Then the next train will arrive in 2 hours time to bring us back to Kanchanaburi. Okay, town looks quite quiet.